Please stand by. And it's not that. Hockey! Oh. Please stand by.
Did, bitch.
Misleading. Low. Tag loading. Responded. Not that, but then don't want. It's time to fight back. It's not the same. Meaningless.
You didn't die. You did good. You actually.
Oh, I just burped.
And yeah, that's about it. So say bye, everyone.
You have to do it.
Oh. Please never do that again. It lets me know.
Or excuse me.
Oh.
Man, what the fuck are you? Gassy chilled? Ed. No, but like, does look good. Let's see what this looks like in good mode. Yeah. No. Hold on. Did you hear that? Yes. Oh, God. Go fucking Ed. Me loud, I think. You're so fucking horrible.
Right. Good looks.
And everything, but anyway. Gonna be a lot of burping. Played Cena again. To me. Excuse me, that was very rude to burp. But video. Excuse me, it's early.
So here comes a burp.
That I have a burp button just here. You ready? Is it good?
So, okay, bye.
Ugh.